meghalayapost.news.
One is overspeeding, the bikers, especially during weekends, which we are aware. Apart from overspeeding, drunken driving, that is driving under influence, is another major reason for these accidents.
Manrat Pynkheiñ Aiñ Kam Sniew haka Surokba National Highway 6 Bhoi District bat Tehlakam Iaki Kam bat Penhersted Iaki Kali Paidbah balajuan ra Iaki Jingjang Kiba Sosi ngakaliang kibor Pulit Bhoi District haka Jingalam u Senior Superintendent of Police UVS Rathor kita pelong Iaki Khynra Naphang Iaki Kali Paidbah haka miet jong si baar haka babun Kali ba Pynkheiñ Aiñ kila Syabat bat Syapan hap kat kum Kenan jaka Aiñ kumban penkenmau tang Iaki Khyndiat benai balalek no bun Kijingja Bersusi kila jah Surokba National Highway 6 hakaba hadu arpungot kimen simbreu bakordor kiladu laga jong jengim kawade tang nakadaw gajing Penhersted ikali Paidbah bagajing dikiat u driver u banyak ikali hakane ga Surokba kabadon Bhoi District habakren sekilat patai kubor u Senior Superintendent of Police Bhoi UVS Rathor ulong bakane gajing Khynra neban bat ikali Paidbah laju pelong man kapor bat menta kamit la pelong yakane gajing Khynra ikali gede halor kanongrem ban Tehlakam ikali ban Penhersted kibadikiat bat Kiba Pynkheiñ Aiñ Aiñ kali.
हाँ हो गया
रेल का व्हाइट पे ब्लैक है इसका ब्लैक पे व्हाइट
Yeah, this checking has been going on for many days now, continuously, every day, sometimes during daytime, sometimes during night time. As far as this district is concerned, there are 3-4 major types of crime where life and property is lost. One of the most important offense is road traffic accidents. Last 3-4 months, we have seen more than 20 deaths because of these traffic accidents. So when we analyzed all these incidents, we found out that most of these accidents have happened because of 3-4 more reasons. Mostly, one is overspeeding, especially the bikers, especially during weekends, which we are aware. Apart from overspeeding, drunken driving, that is driving under influence, is another major reason for these accidents. And then a lot of especially heavy motor vehicles are parked on the national highway, which is illegal. So that has caused some accidents. Apart from that, overloaded vehicles, and then these heavy vehicles driving in wrong lane, these are also some reasons because of which accidents have happened. Apart from accidents, road traffic accidents, there are certain other crimes, the trend which we are seeing. Movement of Bangladeshi nationals, both sides, from India to Bangladesh and from Bangladesh to India, has been noticed in last few months, and there have been many detentions in this regard also, which has been reported in media widely. Then another major crime in this district is vehicle theft, especially two-wheelers, uh, especially this Royal Enfield bikes, Ntorq scooties, and Yamaha R15 bikes. Apart from that, there are certain cases of crime against women and children also, and drug peddling also. So these checkings are being conducted in the district around the clock in order to keep a check on all these activities. There is no single purpose. Of course, the primary purpose is to check drunken driving and overspeeding, but we want our checking to be a deterrence to antisocial elements, and we use these nakas for multiple purpose in order to sometimes to investigate, sometimes to prevent crimes. So this has been going on. Apart from nakas, we are ensuring that whole night our teams are on road patrolling, so that you will agree with me, most of the crimes happen especially after sunset, before sunrise. So we want to check that. And apart from these two, we are conducting a lot of awareness programs also, so that people are better aware about all these things. Yesterday also we made an appeal, especially to our friends from media, to highlight this issue, because a lot of precious lives are being lost in freak accidents, which is absolutely avoidable. And we are going to launch a VDP movement in the district in next 1-2 months. We want VDPs, village defense parties, to be there in every village, each and every village without exception. We already have around 100 VDPs in the district, but total number of villages is 600 plus. So next 2-3 months we'll be taking it on a war footing and ensure that VDPs are there in every village so that they can act as eyes and ears of district police. Apart from helping us in preventing crime, they will be quite helpful in detecting crimes also. And we are also ensuring strong investigation within the ambits of law so that there is a deterrence, there is a fear in the heart and minds of these antisocial elements, not to disrupt peace and tranquility in the district. So it's an ongoing effort. It's a ongoing effort. It will continue in days to come.
MeghalayaPost.news.